These days when you purchase a vehicle, there are cup holders everywhere. It's like as important as the engine or something. Back in the day, no, this was a cup holder. Delightful. Just for a spot of tea with the missus perhaps. When the car's parked, don't you dare start driving the car in turn or you'll have some spillage. So it is for this reason I'm going to make a cup holder today. And yes, this is a reoccurring topic on my videos. I could go buy one that's already made, but to me that's kind of like going to a tattoo parlor and saying, hey, so what do you think would look good on me, because I have no opinion on the matter and all tattoos are basically the same. So when I'm building something kind of weird and it has to sit in a certain way, there's a lot of question marks circling about the project, make it out of cardboard really quick. A little bit of masking tape, go off of these measurements and then proceed. And building a box is not brain surgery. This is basically the idea of any box. It has 4 sides. It'll be held together with either nails or screws or staples. Make sure everything is level and flush. I'm gonna go with my staple gun because I like for my dreams to come true more quickly. It is kind of interesting that I'm putting all this effort into something that I hope will not be seen. And then it gets time to build the inside, and what I want to do is build it so this cool cup holder opens and there's lots of treasures inside. Now the inner workings of the box is something that no one's ever going to see, so I just want it to work correctly. So I just took a metal box from back in the day, one of those money counting boxes that was designed in a way to last 100 years. Now you're speaking my language. So this box will then fit perfectly inside of this frame. What I did for the actual cup holder, although a mug could sit mighty fine on the top, I used the cup as a cup holder. Most any beverage could fit in here. Not a problem. Pencils, pens, markers, crayons, scissors, whatnot in here. Hello again, Mr. Thunderbolt. Can I see your license and registration? Why, yes, you may. Let me look into my super fresh cup holder. I say super fresh a lot. You need to get used to that. If you have complaints about that, you need to send a letter to Ad Rock. That is so cool. I like when things have a place to go. For some reason that makes me happy on the inside. You know what it's like? It's like those magnetic trains. Have you ever looked into that? Somehow with these magnets, they repel and propel that train down the track super fast. Likewise, I don't know why I'm pointing at you, it's a little bit rude. You need to get your creative and logical side aligned. So when that train gets a-rolling, it too is super fast. And yes, that did make sense. You just didn't get it. And don't get me started on train kept a-rolling.
With his badass cup holder in place, Johnny was ready when the design for the new album cover came to mind. He just needed a piece of paper, a marker, a set of colored pencils, scissors, and a touch of glue. Way to go, Johnny!